Hey, what's up, guys? So nice to be back again today. It's a beautiful day. It sucks because I work. My schedule, I'm 9 days in a row. I work at 1. It's 9:30 right now. So what I'm gonna do is I'm on my way to Bob's Used Motorcycles in Phoenix. I'll put the address right here. But anyways, here we go again, guys. A day in the life. What is this, episode 8? Oh man, we're trucking. Can you imagine when it gets to like episode 100? But yeah, stick with me.
Exit. In 1 mile, exit right.
Vlogging thing. I just skipped the whole process of me getting this throttle cable. Went back, looked through all the bikes and stuff like that throughout the yard. So, but I'm looking around right now. I'm gonna go home, try to throw this throttle cable on there. I don't know, maybe I don't have any jumper cables. I gotta jump the bike and blah blah blah. But otherwise, this is for the Maxim though. I'm here for the Maxim, so we'll see if it's going, and maybe this will give us a better idea of what else we need to do to get this bike up and running for my brother or my girlfriend, or just a chill bike for me. I don't want to go to work. You know that feeling that you get just before you have to go to work? That's like a dreaded feeling like, my day is gone. I have to work for this many hours. It feels horrible. Yeah, that's right now. Give me food. This van has like 9 people in it. Jesus. It's like, you look in the back window and there's like 18 heads back there. It's like, Jesus. Yes, they're all evil 2-headed serpents. 9 people, 18 heads. That's correct. Got our shopping done. Now we're headed home. It's 9:17. I want to get to sleep. So yeah, here we go. Again, I'll check back in when we're back at home. Let's fire this baby up. Wow, okay, so I never ended the vlog. I let this roll over into 3 days now. It's now Monday. It was Saturday when I started. But anyways, I don't have anything else for you guys. I'm just trying a couple things. I need a new chain. I couldn't even go to work today because it was like drooping, kissing the ground. Other than that, that's all I got for you guys. I'm Yamahamian. Ride safe. Be safe. Peace.